Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, you may have stumbled upon Jolta.us and wondered, is this a legit online store or just another scam site waiting to trap your money? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. At the time of this review, Jolta.us doesn't even have an active website, which is already a big concern. No presence on Trustpilot or Reddit, and very limited discussion elsewhere. According to Scam Advisor, the site doesn't have a valid SSL certificate and is marked safe by DNS filter. But that's pretty basic stuff. The owner's identity is hidden on Whois, which can be common, but it's also something many scam sites do. Was registered just a year ago and is tied to a register often used by scammers. Even more concerning, negative reviews have already been detected, and Brandonsoft notes the site runs on WordPress, which is fine, but only if properly maintained and secured. Is Jota.us legit? Based on the lack of transparency, negative signals, and its offline status, it looks more like a risky, low trust website than a legit business. Definitely not recommended unless more reliable proof surfaces. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.